Okay, we have a Neway model VM-1103H vertical machining center. Machine was manufactured December 2016. So it's really a 2017 machine. It's got a Fanuc control. It's got an 8,000 RPM spindle. You hear the table move left to right, in and out. Let's move it up and down. There we go. And now it's at 8,000 RPM, so if we could just move it to 8,000. And as you can hear, nice and quiet, beautiful. All right, slow it down. And a tool change, please, if you could. And there you have it. It's got a chip conveyor. It's got very low hours on it. I'll bring those up in a second for you. Power on 7,600, run time 2,000, cutting time 1391.